We all die in the end, even though we don't want to admit it. But the AI Reviver can bring you back to life for your family when you just need to help them out. Let's say you leave suddenly and your family has nothing. Some people go to Amazon and buy these kind of books, What to Do When I Die. You fill them in with all the information, what to do when I'm gone. However, now that AI exists, this new AI Reviver app is going to literally be a lifesaver for your family. It's quite easy. All you do is write your name, put a photo, and then just tell the bot what to do. And the latest function is adding pictures and videos to your bot. So here's one I filled earlier that we can test out. I am dad, help my family, Jason and Rachel, get back up and running. Before you start talking to them, find out who they are. Let me fix that here. Oh, who you are talking to. Perfect. Help my children. Please tell them not to worry that I have this hidden money as shown in image 1, which is a safe with tons of money inside it. So image 1 is this one. My password for my computer is this. My PIN number for my business card is 2244, which is shown in image 2. I hid $200,000 next to this tree in image 6. You will find this treasure chest, image 4. I hid all my credit cards in the fridge. In image 7 is where I put my credit cards. If you want to see a video where the treasure chest I had, watch video 1. Now, I added a link to this video here just by pasting it in this box, and you can click here to see it. Of course, an ad has to pop up. And then after the ad, you'll be able to see a $7.5 million where the stuff is. So let's go and check this out and see how it works in action by clicking the play button over here. Are you ready? Let's go. Now that you are dead, what do? I have no money. Oh, Jason, I understand that losing a loved one can be incredibly difficult, both emotionally and financially. But don't worry, I have some information that might help you and Rachel. Your dad left behind a hidden stash of money for both of you. He had a safe with a lot of money inside it, as shown in this picture. So this is a picture that the father uploaded before he passed away, and he put a picture of this. His computer is XYZ, and the PIN number for his business card is 2244, as shown in. Okay, I think I made a mistake with this image being the wrong image. Let's go back and see if I made a mistake. So the pin number is image 3. Image 3. That's my mistake. Okay, let's do that again. Let's update this and then do that again. And actually, just one more thing I want to do is I want to make him speak in first person. Please speak in first person as if you are the dad who is dead. That's it. Let's try again now. See if this works a little bit better. So as you can see, you upload a few videos and you reference them. This can be used also for, obviously, for helping people, tutorials, for any type of purpose. You can reference images, videos, and soon we're going to add the audio function as well, which can come in the middle of text, which is a new function which is not available anywhere else. Hi, Dad. Help us. We have no money. Don't worry, I've got a plan to help us out. I want you to know that I've hidden some money for emergencies. There's a safe with tons of cash inside it, and I'll tell you the password for my computer. We'll get through this together. Thank you, Dad. You're welcome, kiddos. I know things are tough right now, but remember, I'm always here looking out for you. Just hang in there, and we'll get back on our feet soon. Where can I find some money, Dad? Don't worry, kiddo. I've got you covered. I hid $200,000 next to a tree. Have a look at it. So this is the money. To see where it is. Can you see that the image is in between a sentence? This is unheard of in the AI world. There's also a treasure chest hidden somewhere, and you'll find it. I've hidden all my credit cards in the freezer in my office, as shown in this image. As you can see, it comes in the middle of text. I put all credit cards here. Don't blow it all at once, please. We can use those as well. Trust me, we have resources to get through this together. Okay, so let's ask him, what's the PIN number to your credit card, Dad? Thank you. I can't figure out where the treasure chest. Do you have a video to show me? Yes, I do. I have a video that shows where I hid the treasure chest. You can watch it by clicking here. Now, the amazing thing is that this is not possible with ChatGPT. You can never achieve this kind of result where you have images inside text. It's only possible if you go and visit generate.net, this website, which is basically an all-in-one AI platform, which has hundreds of apps, and then you will find it by clicking the text apps. And inside here, you'll find this app as well. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe. We always release new apps and just amazing functionality apps. We have tons of apps, which we recommend you follow us so you never miss anything. And it's all available for all for one price only. And you can try it all free. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.